Hello, this is Ms. Nicholas. This is Notes 3.4, Exponential Growth and Decay, and we're going to see how to solve real-world problems. Now, we have compound interest. The balance in the account is A. Principal is B. The annual interest rate is R, and it has to be in a decimal form, and it is given by the formula where the growth formula is presented here with A, and decay is with subtraction. Also, as you see, there in exponents we have n, so it's how many times per year the interest is compounded after t years. With the growth, your money would be increasing. Basically, you are getting the money, and with decay, this is where you paying someone or something is decreasing. Let's take a look at example 1. You bought a car for $18,000, so right now I'm going to use this amount as a principal. The value of the car will be less each year because of depreciation. The car depreciates or loses value at the rate of 12% per year. Write an exponential decay model to represent the situation when you use that model to estimate the value of the car in 8 years. So now I know it's a depreciation, therefore I'm going to use this model. I need to write out what I have. B is 18,000. Rate is 12%. In decimal, this would be 0.12, and T is 8. Now, N is not given for us, so we know it's once a year. Let's plug in everything in the model. A equals 18,000. Make sure to use parentheses. 1 minus 0.12, and this raised to the power of 8. So now we can plug it in into the calculators. I'm gonna get 0.88 here, raised to the power of 8, and the answer is $6,473. So, which means the car after 8 years, its value is $6,473 only. Example 2, we have $350,000. It is invested at the rate 5% per year. We need to find amount of investment at the end of 10 years, following 2 different compound methods. One is quarterly and another one is monthly. So I know that my principal P is 350,000. Rate is 5% per year, which means it's in decimal form would be 0.05. T is over 10 years. Now we have to go and get it quarterly, which means N is 4. So I have to write the model. $350,000 in parentheses. We're going to have 1 plus interest is 0.05. Okay, so now I have plugged in everything in my growth model. All we need to do just operations in the calculator. I need to divide first 0.05 by 4 and add to 1. So that makes 1.05 0.0125, and 4 times 10 is 40. Now everything needs to be plugged in the calculator, and let's see how much money we get after 10 years. So we get a good amount of money sign, dollar sign, 575,566.81. Now, if we have our interest compounded monthly, n would be 12, which means they add on interest every month. And let's write the model. So A equals our principal amount, 350,000, and we have 1 plus 0.05. Now we will divide it by 12, and I have 12 times 10 here as the exponent. Let's do the computations first here with 0.05 divided by 12 and then add on to 1. So it comes out to be 1.00416 is repeating, and exponent is 120. Let's plug it in everything in the calculator. Let's see how much money we're gonna get after 10 years. So we have our answer, $575,994.26, which is a little bit more than compounding interest quarterly. And our last example 3, find the account balance after 20 years if $100 is placed in an account that pays 1.2% interest compounded twice a month. So I know interest R is 1.2%, which transfers to 0.012 in decimal form. It is over the time of 20 years, and our principal amount here is $100. The problem says that we're going to compound interest twice a month, therefore n in a year is going to come out to be 24 times. 2 times 12. Let's plug in everything in the model. So $100, and I have 1 add our interest is 0.012 divide by 24, and as exponent we have 24 times 20. Okay, now first we need to do operations in parentheses, which comes out to be 1.00, I lost another 0 in here, 5, and exponent is 480 when I multiply 24 times 20. So now let's plug in everything in the calculators and let's see what's the answer. Once you do that, it's going to come out to be $127 and 12 cents. So this is how much money you're gonna get investing $100, and after 20 years you will have $127.12. Please try a problem that is given for you at the end of this page. Make sure to complete your notes. Thank you.